What are we making today, chat? We are making ceviche, the Peruvian version. I know there is a lot of different versions out there. Today we're making the Peruvian one. Ceviche, I don't know, a pretty popular dish here, especially the coastal region. I don't know how to say it, but like at least in Lima, very popular. Is, you know, fish. We have it here, the fish, and the main ingredient, aside from the fish, limes. I mean, I'm pretty sure these are limes, but we call them lemons here. But I'm pretty sure these are limes. I don't know exactly what's the difference. I think the lemons are the yellow ones, right? So this is probably lime. Yeah, we're gonna use this. As always, onion, a little bit, just a little bit of cilantro. And what is this? What is this, chat? Your favorite, right? It's a chili pepper. It's called ají limo. It's one of the spiciest ones, I guess. We're gonna use just a little bit of this to make it, you know, spicy. And to accompany this, what we're gonna use a little bit of corn and sweet potato. Corn, sweet potato. So yeah, you don't know how spicy this is because I could be lying. I could be telling you, oh yeah, this is super, super spicy. And I would like bite it, but maybe it's not spicy at all. How would you know? Nothing can wet Gronk. So yeah, we're going to start with the lemons. I'm going to explain like really quickly what is the process here. So what this dish is basically is that this is raw fish. This is not cooked at all. And we're not going to cook it with fire. We're going to cook it with the limes, right? So we have to like get these limes, get a lot of lime juice, and then use it to basically cook the fish. And then we add the onions, the cilantro, the ají limo with a little bit of salt, pepper, and that's basically the dish. Now we are gonna accompany it with corn and sweet potato. Yes, I'm gonna use a little bit of alcohol on this because I'm scared. I see 30k to 50k SQL units of heat. Okay, so that sounds spicy, right? Like, I don't know, compare it with things that you eat. This is where we're gonna mix everything. We're gonna mix everything here, okay? We're gonna cut all the lemons, and then we're gonna... What is the word? Exprimir? What is the word for that? Squeeze them. We're gonna squeeze them. Let's just cut... they are not lemons, they are lime. They are lime, not lemon. Why am I saying things that are not here? Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. Alright, like my thingy to squeeze the lemons, my lemon squeezer is kind of reflective because it's made out of metal. So what I'm gonna do is do it off camera. Yeah, it's scary. Squeeze them between your thighs for extra safety. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, boy. That's the good stuff. Squeeze them between your thighs. How would I do that? How would I squeeze a lemon between my thighs? That doesn't seem feasible. It's too small for that. I will maybe no, not even an orange, like people do with watermelon. Yeah, but the watermelon is bigger. That's why it's easier to squish because you can press it. A lemon is too small for that. I'm pretty sure. All right, fish. Now for this particular ceviche, we have to cut them in like little cubes. Well, not exactly cubes, you know, but like small pieces. Alright, I think this is good. Like, oh, this smells like fish. Alright, let's do it. So basically, every part of the fish has to be covered with a lime. Some people say like, oh, not really, but I prefer to be, you know, safe. Let's just let it absorb and you know, simmer. Like marinate. Let's add a little bit of salt. I think that's enough. Let's move it around a little bit. Alright. Now, cilantro, your favorite, chat. Just a little bit. Some people add a lot, but like I'm adding just a little bit. We're gonna cut it like really small. Really small. I'm gonna mix it with everything else. Oh my god, like with gloves it's like so hard to grab, dude. Dude, I don't know how to cut this with the gloves, dude. The gloves make it very hard to cut this. Yeah, I'm blaming the gloves. It's not like I don't know how to cut. Take them off them? What do you mean by that? Take them off? Oh, my gloves. No, I don't feel confident about my hands. I'd rather show you my ass than my hands. Alright, let's add it to the mix. Let's just add it all together. Well, just this. Okay. Oh, it looks how it's supposed to look like. Yeah. Oh, look at it. Wow. Like, actually, the lighting, my camera is not doing it justice because it looks really good here. Alright, what I forgot, chat, is that we also have to boil this. This just to accompany it. This is corn, sweet potato. I know I'm repeating myself, but you know. Now, I don't know how this is called in English. I don't know what like people call it. But like, we have to cut this in julianas. Now, what does that mean? Why is it called like that? I don't know. I'm gonna show you. Like this, let's peel it. Alright, okay. I'm gonna wash this a little bit so that it's not like too strong. Onion, yes. So what is this? It's just like this, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, like this. That's it. Like really like thin pieces, basically. Yeah, like really thin slices. One more. There you go. And I think that's all that we're gonna cook. Like from now on, it's just mixing. Chat, this is, you understand. This dish is what you have when there's like a hot day, and you have this with your Inca Cola, or like with, you know, chicha morada, in the beach, like in the sand where you're all wet, and you have this with chicharrón. This takes me back, you know. This makes me, you know, I have this. I'm listening to Bad Bunny, Un Verano Sin Ti, 2023, I think, 2022. And I'm like in the beach, like under, not under the sun, like under an umbrella. It's all wet. I can feel the breeze, and you know, I feel it. I feel the summer. Wait, how is the song? Yo estoy puesto pa ti, tú te me quitas. Diablo, que piquete la chamaquita. El corazón lo puso en la neverita. Yeah, and then you start drinking. Yeah, then you get the alcohol. Let's mix this first. I think that's enough. Oh. Ooh. Oh, it's looking good. Okay. Now this is a tricky part, chat. This mother right here. This little guy. What do we do with this little guy? It depends, right? How spicy you want it. So how spicy do you want it, chat? I know what you're gonna say. The whole thing, Pepper. Bite it. I like this. This is what you usually see in the pictures. Like in the picture for like spicy dishes, like at least Peruvian ones, you see this thing. Now, these parts are what makes it spicy. The part in the middle. Too much spicy makes my pee-pee hurt. Let's just add 5 slices. Yeah, I think it's fine. Alright, I took out the seeds. Now, let's get rid of this. Alright, and let's just add this. That's it. That's ceviche. Wait, hold on. Let me try it. Let me give it a try, okay? Because this is not how you serve it, right? You go to a restaurant and they don't throw you this thing. I still need to get the corn and the sweet potato. Alright? So give me a second. Let it marinate. Well, actually, I kinda want to try this. I'm gonna try this little bit here. Remember, I haven't cooked this fish. It's all lemon. Or lime, not lemon, lime. But let's give it a try. It's really sour. Just like I like it. Oh, I forgot the pepper. Okay, that's it. I forgot the pepper. Just a little bit. I'm gonna put like something, and I'm gonna put it in a fridge. Do you like this? Paris. Paris. Alright, chat, what is my preferred drink for today? Look, chat. Monster Energy Mango Loco. But you know what's the curious thing about Mango Loco? That for me, Mango Loco is just regular mango. Regular mango.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Dude, I almost left. Yeah, I'm not drinking this today. Are you maybe perhaps interested in a piña colada in a bottle? Oh my god, piña colada in a bottle. Hit just 5% alcohol. Oh my god, you heard all my bottles. I am not an alcoholic, chat, I swear. I swear. It's a little bit of wine, come on. And some other drinks. Corn. Let's try it. Oh! Oh! What the f? Why is this so good? Why is this corn so good? I don't usually like corn, but this is like really good. This is not the type of corn that I like, but what? Have my taste buds changed? Is my palate more refined now that I can enjoy Peruvian corn? Chat, I think I'm just gonna eat the corn. Corn. More corn. Choclo. That's right. This is called choclo. Wow, this is good. What the hell? I didn't used to like. I didn't like this before. What happened? I don't eat it by itself. I usually like mix it with something else, right? Like if this is part of arroz con pollo, where the cheese at? We have two choices for cheese. We can have this cheese or parmesano. Just a little joke. I know it's queso fresco. I have a lot of things in my fridge, but not that. The thing that I don't like to add, I have like also bells, lechuga, lettuce. This lettuce looks so sad. Wait, hold on. This lettuce looks like horrible. In person doesn't look that bad, but in camera looks like horrible. Hold on. That's ceviche. Oh my god, I almost dropped the lid. Alright, now this looks much better. Thanks for hating him. Yeah. Ow. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. Chat, this looks amazing in person. And like in camera looks like ass, dude. It looks like ass. I cannot believe this, dude. What the hell? Now look at this. This is just for the picture. Before I start eating, I need to take a picture on my phone. Alright, let's do it. Alright, let's give it a try. Ooh. Oh my god. Alright, whatever. Oh yeah. This is good. It's really good. I don't know what to tell you, chat. I like it. Like it's my favorite dish. It's my favorite dish. What fish do you use? Tilapia. Oh my god, this was so well to air. What the hell? I'm not a big fan of like sweet potato, but like combined with this is really good. Dude, I'm having the best dish of my life right now. While people are fighting, while I'm listening to people fighting, this feels just like home. This feels just like home. I love it. This is what I needed. This is what I needed to finally be able to enjoy this. Oh, and it's not that spicy. I should have used more of this. So it's not spicy at all. Like you can feel a little bit of spiciness. Like if you don't tolerate spiciness, you will be like, oh, this thing is spicy. But like for someone who is used to it, it's not that spicy. Like you barely feel it. Oh my god, I just bought one of those. That's spicy. Ooh. Ah! 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 Wait, I need to drink something. Is the piña colada going to help? Yeah. What the fuck? Okay, chat, listen. If you're not you're not a fan of spicy things, don't eat one of these. I wasn't expecting to be that spicy because I've been eating this. This has been like mixed with everything for a long time. So I wasn't expecting to have like any reaction. Chat, if you ever come to Peru, this is the dish you have to try. So unique. Like there is like, well, I'm sure there are like similar dishes, but like from Peruvian cuisine, this is the one that is the most different to anything else, in my opinion. Ow! Chat. Alright, chat. I think I'm gonna end the stream now. Any questions about this? Why did you hiccup when it was spicy? Isn't that a normal reaction for something very spicy? I feel like I always get into a hiccup spree when I eat something very spicy when I'm not expecting it to be spicy. No? That happens to me all the time. When I eat... Okay, let's try again. Well, this time I'm expecting it, so I'm not sure how it will work, but let's see. I'm fine. I'm fine. It's not that spicy. It's not that spicy. I just took me by surprise. Yeah, chat. That was a ceviche. Alright, bye bye.